Hello. In this video, we will draw this little kitten. I'm going to start with the head, and to do that, I'm going to draw two lines at 90 degrees to each other, which will be the center lines around which I will compose the head. And I want to draw them at a slight angle because I want the head to be tilted. I think that'll make the kitten look cuter. So I'm going to use those lines to draw several ovals or ellipses. What I'm going for is a shape in between a circle and a lemon. So this will take several tries. And then I'm going to lightly sketch out the bodies, so the front legs, and then the hind legs or the back. So I'm not fully satisfied with the head shape, so I'm going to play with that a little bit more. And that looks pretty close, so we'll go with that for now. I'm going to draw the eyes, which are two circles, and both are placed the same distance from that center line, connected to a nose, which is a little triangle. I'm going to add a little definition to the outside of the eyes, and then draw the mouth. In your sketch, you can play with the sizes and shapes and experiment a little bit and see what you get. Go ahead and draw the ears. I like the shape of the head now, so I'm going to go ahead and start inking. And to do that, I'm going to use my ink pen and go over the lines that I drew in pencil, but instead of drawing them as smooth lines, I'm going to draw them with a zigzag motion because I want a slightly rough edge to represent the fur. And I think it also makes the kitten look fluffier. Then I'm going to go over the eyes and the nose, which is fairly simple. I'm just going to go over the lines I drew in pencil without doing anything different. Add some whiskers for the little guy. Before inking the body, I need to do a little bit more line work and give some definition to the legs and the claws. So I'll go ahead and do that. And now I can do the inking. Add a little tail, and then outline the stripes, which I will fill in later. Because we're going for a kind of cartoony look, we don't want to make this drawing too busy, so I don't want to add too many stripes because that'll make the drawing very cluttered. So just a few will do. 3 is a good number. And then create some divisions on the tail. And now I can fill in the outlines of the stripes with the Sharpie. I'm using a fairly thick nib to save time, but it might be easier to start with a thin nib, which will help you be more precise. And so once we've done that, we're more or less finished We're going to add a little more detail to the eyes. I'm going to draw a little circle inside, leave it white, and fill it with black around it. And then add some eyebrows to add a little bit more personality. A couple of finishing touches. And that's really it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And please let me know what you think in the comments.